Yeah, hello, welcome back to Cafe Crypto YouTube channel, your number one crypto news and marketing channel. My name is Okafumeru Cynthia. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can use the Binance Simple Earn option to get more APYs on your crypto staking. So let's jump in right in to see how it goes. So if you are visiting my channel for the first time, do well to hit the subscribe button. Let's get started. So to go to Binance Simple Earn, the first thing you need to do is to click on this more icon. When you click on it, it's going to bring you to this menu. Right now you're going to see Simple Earn, which is this. But then the Binance have swap farming, DeFi staking, and a lot of auto invest and the rest of them. If we come to DeFi staking right now, you're going to see that DeFi staking has less APY projects, right? But then let's move over to Simple Earn to see the amount of high APY. We can see we have 30, 16, 15, 23, but you can't get such with DeFi staking, you can see. But before now, if you come to DeFi staking, you are going to see a whole lot of a high APY project. But when a new improvement is done to a company or an exchange like this, they tend to move the whole benefit in the previous one to the new one, so that people will be forced to go to the new one, right? So that is what happened here. Actually, I hope my voice is loud enough. I'm not really so strong, but I had to still make this video. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, do well to subscribe. Let's get this channel to 3K subscribers before Xmas, and also like this video so that more people get to learn from it, right? So let's get back to the Simple Earn. So this is how it is all done. If you have ever done DeFi staking on Binance, it is almost the same thing. In fact, I would say it's the same thing, right? So that is it. They have some special offers. You can see they have the flexible. The flexible is so low. You can see when you put it on flexible, it changes to less price, right? If you put it on 21 days, you have 15%. If you put it on 30 days, you have 5%. So you can see that the 21 days is a best option to go for, either the 21 days or the 30 days. So you come here, you see the 30 days 10%. So now you can see that we have a whole lot of projects here, right? I would advise that anyone you want to go for, you just use this search icon to search for it, right? And also when you are investing, make sure that you are investing in a tangible project. Now let's take for instance that that FTX was here. Let me see FTX. So let's check for it. Okay, you can see it's even here. FTT. Binance, I think Binance have locked it also. Probably they have put it on only. Yes, it's here. They have put it on only flexible, right? So I think they unlocked it because of the crash. Now if you are investing in any project, you have to be really really certain. Like, I know that it's really impossible to know projects that will crash and projects that will not crash. During the lunar crash, a lot of people that locked their projects lost heavily, just like also in this FTS crash, like right now. So if you are investing, if you are staking in any project, irrespective of the APY, try as much as possible to invest in the ones that will last. Even if it gives you 10%, it's not bad. Even if it gives you 10%, it's not bad. So you can see right now that from our research, 20 days and 21 days and 120 days gives us high API, but 21 days seems to be higher. So you're probably going to choose 21 days if you want to stake on Simple Earn in order to get higher APY. Going for flexible is very very low, right? The percentage is very very low, but for this flexible, it means that you can easily it means that you can easily cancel at any time. So let's take for instance that you invested, you staked your project, your money in this token, and you notice that there is a sudden crash on it. You can easily come and unstake it. But when you lock it for 21 days, there's nothing you can do till after that 21 days. So you know the best option for you to go for. I don't advise. I see people saying stake for 120 days. Stake for what? What if something happens and your funds, you are not able to recover it again? There is nothing you can do. Your whole funds are lost, right? So you either choose within 21 days to flexible. At least what is more important is capital protection. Protect your capital first before any other thing in crypto. Yeah, so that is it. When you click on 21 days, let's say you click on subscribe, it's going to ask you where you want to get the supplement balances, because I don't have so right now whether you want to buy it from P2P, buy it in Naira and the rest of them. But then let me remove that for now. So you can see available balance. I don't have any, so because the market is really something else right now. Okay, so from here you can see that the minimum amount you can stake is 0.001, so and available quota is 1, so total personal quota is 1. So that is it. And once you are done, you click on this and you click on submit. You put the amount. Let's say you want to stake 1, so right, you click the I have agreed to Binance Simple Earn service agreement, and you click on confirm, and that's it. It's also going to show you how many interest you are going to get at the end of the whole stuff, right? You can see your 15% APR here. So that is it. I hope you got value from this video. If you did, don't forget to share this video, and also let me know if there's anything you want me to teach you about in the comment section. Also do well to join our Telegram group, where we share lots of informative crypto contents that you would always also love to improve your crypto journey with. Thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. Like I said, I don't know if my voice is too low, and it's because I'm not really so strong, so just manage it like this. Thank you. Bye.